Guys, yeah, this video is help you to remove this Android permission request install packages from this Android manifest XML file in IONIC 5. Okay, so I tried multiple ways to remove these uh, packages from this Android manifest XML file. So I searched lot of blogs and but I didn't get anything. Like in the IONIC forums, we are showing like how to delete request install packages from permission. So at in the 90% of people showing this tools node is equal to remove things add in our manifest file. Like I'm adding here this one. If I save and if we build, it will create another permission file here and build goes to fail. So I will show you one script file. It will be help you to remove this request install packages from this Android manifest.xml file. So just we'll see this tools node is equal to remove things, what will be do. Yeah, yeah, request permission install packages, yeah, two times added here. So build goes to failed. So what to do here, just remove this all these things. So just we need to add one script here in the script folder. Yeah, this is the script folder. So I already add one remove permission.js file, and in this file we need to uh, import this fs promises things, and these functions will be help you here. So I just wrote for the request install packages need to remove. So this is the one array, and already I added my script here. So I will provide in my description box. I'll provide this script, all script. Okay, so after that, so I solved the problem by creating an after prepared hook that modified the manifest file during the build. So just go to the our config.xml file. Here in the platform Android, we need to add one script here, hook file we need to add here. Just a minute. Hook. So I already created the script. Just we need to add this hook file here, and if I build this same Android build, it will be automatically removed from here after the uh, generate the build, and after prepare this it will be create. Yeah, almost done. Yeah, it's removed from this Android manifest XML file. Yeah, build is successful. So just we need to add one script here in this remove permission.js, or anything you can add your preferred names here, and you can remove any packages from here. I need this one package, request install packages, so I add here. This is the script, guys. I'll show you all the script. Yeah, this is the script. Just you need to add in the config.xml file. These hooks will be help you inside the platform. Name is equal to Android, all these things. Thank you. Thank you so much.